760 miles round trip. Keep your eyes peeled down, look over the top of the pier to your right. Here she comes, the mighty Vulcan rocket. This aircraft you see, X-Ray Hotel 558, the first B2 version of Vulcan into RAF service with Vulcan in 1960. First serving on 230 OCU, then on 101 and then on 44 and 50 squadrons. Later converted to a maritime reconnaissance role with 27 squadrons. Becoming a tanker in 1982, up for disposal in 1984, but luckily saved for the Vulcan display flights. Dr Robert Pleming very much at the forefront of this. Felt very much that the Royal Air Force should preserve this aircraft, but when he didn't, the end result was the Vulcan to the Sky Trust. And today this aircraft is fitted with onboard cameras supplied by Planes TV. You can buy a copy of this if you go and order it from Planes TV tent, and or at the Vulcan to the Sky project tent behind you at the park. Then you can also get a free DVD of the Vulcan's first year as well. So make sure you do that before going home today. Ready down there, marvellous huge loft doors opening up. In the hands today, Captain Kev Ruins, who's a co-pilot on Victor Tankers, first of all with 55 Squadron. Also flew Tornadoes at Bruggen, was the standards officer before deploying off to Gulf War 1. Now Captain on Airbus E340s. In the other seats, Martin Withers, yes, that very Martin Withers. Indeed, the same Martin Withers that we saw at Zanikov last weekend, but I won't go there, because Martin was the other name, of course, the famous name that went down with the Black Buck crew to Port Stanley. He was actually, he and his crew were reserved that day, but the first aircraft went US shortly after takeoff. So Withers and his crew, B4, took over that famous city. The end of that epic 7,000-mile journey, aided by other Vulcans and Victors, they dropped 21 1,000 bombs on Port Stanley, hitting with 2 of them, making it unusable for the last years. Chief Engineer Edmondson often says the project's had a bit of a guardian angel. She gave up a few times, incredibly difficult of course, but she's back and forth. Now Robert, Andrew and his team have achieved the pinnacle of one of the greatest achievements ever to be realised by any heritage aviation project in the world. has lived on a knife edge since its earliest days, surrounded on all sides by naysayers and doom-mongers prophesying that it would happen. Here she is today, despite all the various financial potential disasters. Heritage lottery application, succeeding only eventually against the odds on the second round. Of course, she's only as good as our help. She needs everyone's help. Then we get major commercial sponsorship. That was the sound of 4 Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus engines with 16,400 pounds of thrust each. That would seriously do some damage to your sound system. That, ladies and gentlemen, we reckon is probably the end of the Southport Airshow, and indeed the last major UK airshow this year. So thank you indeed very much. Thank you for joining us. It's been a fantastic weekend. Yes, the applause is almost natural, isn't it? It is the most amazing and remarkable fitting, isn't it? It's a theory, and if you don't get a lovely thrill after that, nothing else, I think, will spring it on. You've been fantastic attendance. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for entertaining us. You all have the most fabulous weekend.